am Beesham I am a chef and an artisan baker. I remember the first time I got introduced to sourdough baking. We are talking almost 20 years ago. From there, the whole world of sourdough opened to me. And my baking was not that good. Just by mixing flour, water and salt, one can create amazing products. Just like everything else, baking is a learning process. One needs to start from zero. I would say one never stops learning. After putting my heart, my soul and love into thousands of bread, today I can travel the whole world to teach people about sourdough baking. The best part being a baker is to make people satisfied. There's nothing better than that. I am Beesham, known as Beesham the Baker.